The alignment condition of the rear wheels is even more important than the alignment condition of the front wheels. This is because misalignment at the rear will affect tread life of every tire on the vehicle. To illustrate rear wheel alignment, we'll begin with the geometric center line. The geometric center line is an imaginary line drawn through the center point of the rear reference axle and the center point of the front steer axle. Rear thrust conditions will be compared to the geometric center line. Thrust line, the bisector of the toe in the axle, is basically the direction the wheels on that axle are pointed. Thrust angle is the angle formed by the thrust line and geometric center line. If the axle is pointed to the left, thrust line is considered negative. If the axle is pointed to the right, thrust line is considered positive. On a tandem axle vehicle, certain thrust angle conditions can combine to create a scrub angle. In this example, the rearmost axle is pointed to the left, while the forward axle is pointed to the right. When the thrust lines are combined, a scrub angle is formed. Excessive scrub angle forces the tandem axles to work against each other, while the front wheels have to be steered to offset the push and keep the vehicle traveling straight ahead. This misalignment condition will cause scrubbing on every tire. Here, the tandem scrub is in the opposite direction.